Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy TikTok Tuesday. Today we are on the way to the Rich Girls Museum in Greensboro, North Carolina. So I'm with my girlfriends right now, Christian and Alexis. Say hey. So it's Christian's birthday.
It's her birthday.
It's her birthday. It's her birthday. So we thought it was a perfect opportunity to just make a full fun day out of it. So we saw this on TikTok a few weeks ago and we were trying to plan the perfect day to go. So we thought what better day than to go on our girl's birthday. We're driving from Raleigh, which is like an hour and a half away. It's $30. You need to make a reservation online in advance just in case they're booked. So it's $30 and you get 1 hour to take a bunch of pictures. I'm really excited. And I can't wait to get some good content. If you're new here, my name's Angel and I post weekly videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss one. And make sure you ring that bell so you're always notified when I upload. Let's get into it. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am rich, I am that bitch. Wait, no, you're that bitch. You're that bitch too. We made it. Whoop. Watch yourself now. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God.
I'm so cold, I'm the gold, I'm a menace with a cold. No disgrace, not so with the hell goes low on a day that I sold my soul. I be flawless with these notes, compensated for my shows. Had to get up off my couch so I could be someone you know. Cause baby, I'm the baddest. All these chickens playing coop, you know you are the saddest. Now leave you speechless.
Look, I've been about my business. I keep popping children. All about my jeans. Just know the boy not talking denim. Label placement pending. I'm about my kinship. Ever catch him switching? Severing the friendship.
Yeah, you something else. You gon' keep on talking till I ain't got nothing left. I'm not with that chasing. You keep running, you get left. Say you want to talk this time and straight, just save your breath. All you come with is excuses. Can't reason. Yeah, you can give me nothing to believe in. And your moves just be changing with the seasons. My heart was on my sleeve, so I went sleeveless. Yeah, you're speechless.
I told him I'm the best. I heard some chicks saying that I progress was controversial. Catch a chicken best inside the circle. Grandma raises all.
So we just finished and we had so much freaking fun. 10 out of 10 would recommend, right? Recommend. A 10 out of 10. Recommend. So at first, not gonna lie, I was like, damn, $30 for 1 hour? Like, that's a little pricey, but we got so many good photos and videos. We got so much good content. Oh my God, what is going on with my bangs right now?
Follow us all.
But yeah, I'm just really excited to upload everything. So what would you say about the Rich Girls Museum?
I think it was absolutely amazing. We got so many different things, different content. Maybe once they switch up the walls, we can come back.
Yeah.
We loved it. And the people there were amazing. They let us stay a little bit longer.
The people
they took pictures for you. It was cool.
Yeah, they were nice.
Yeah, the workers were super nice. And we were running a little bit late and they were able to like accommodate us. And they were just super polite, helpful. They took pictures for us. It was just a great time. And it was really hard not to get a good photo. Just because, you know, everything, all the photo ops were just super amazing. The car, the bubble bath, the gumdrop setting. And we even did like a little TikTok for Christian's new song that she just released. You can also download that on Spotify for free. I will link it below. So it's just so much fun. I honestly wish we had more time in there. Because I just feel like we still, I know, and 1 hour is not long enough. I feel like we could have done a lot more.
Really like us. If you're really girly like us, yeah, an hour is not long enough.
I know, it was really hard to like do all the stuff we wanted because we said we were gonna do TikToks, but we weren't able to really make any TikToks because you're taking pictures, taking videos, trying to get boomerangs, just trying to get as much content as you can. And so you just, if you want to do a few things, I would say just like focus on 1 or 2 things. Otherwise, you know, you need more time. So anyways, that's my review on the Rich Girls Museum. I definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. Go check them out. Follow them on Instagram. And if you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for weekly videos. And don't forget to ring that bell so you're always notified when I upload. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
You something else. You gon' keep on talking till I ain't got nothing left.